Hello there. Today we are going to be doing an experiment. This experiment will require shaving cream, food coloring, a full glass of water, an empty cup,
and pippets. And just put a glass of water.
So, if you are not familiar with this, we'd suggest you go to our water cycle video. There it will explain more about what we're talking about later in this video.
And also you can put any toys in the empty glass.
If you want.
And I put a scorpion. So, you want to make it gently.
So you're only going to want to put 3/4 of water in your glass. And now we will start putting the other 1/4. We'll start putting shaving cream in. We'll put the food coloring in later. So we put the foam in, and it kind of created like a cloud. So this represents the cloud. And we're going to take this blue food coloring. You can use any food coloring if you want, but we'd use blue to represent the water droplets. And as we start to pour more and more water droplets on the cloud, it will get heavy and soon it will start raining. So let's start.
Oh. Or you can dump, or you could like pour it there. But we would use this to make it like actual rain.
Hey guys, I actually can start seeing some stuff here. It's getting pretty heavy. So that's some progress that we have lately seen now.
Mine is getting here.
Yeah. Hey, would you look at that? Actually started raining here. Kind of.
Oh, look at mine.
Oh yeah.
It has.
Show them to the viewers.
See, it's slowly coming here. It takes lots of time.
Oh, hey, look at mine. It started raining. See this water droplets? I see it's coming down to the ground. Also, Idan's is starting to get very heavy. Mine already released. Yeah. You know, Idan, I think that's good enough. That's good enough. Idan, see, yours is falling. Yeah, that's good enough. So this experiment was to show you guys how the cloud gets heavy with all the tiny, small water droplets, and the water droplets precipitate down to the ground.
See how in my bottle the color is like falling on the scorpion?
Yeah, like the color is filled the entire bottle now. I hope you guys had fun watching us. Bye.
Bye.